going to share with you guys how it fits on me crossbody and with mod shots, and most importantly what fits inside. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, we have a very little but very unexpected sort of Coach unboxing. So as you can tell by the title of the video, I went ahead and picked up the Lana 19. Guys, this one took me just by storm. I honestly saw the first TikTok and I was like, what? I think I need this piece. We went ahead and picked it up in the color chalk. Oh my god, isn't she the cutest little thing? I'm so excited. I'm going to share with you guys how it fits on me crossbody and with mod shots, and most importantly what fits inside, because I do feel like that's what we are missing in regards to this little piece. But really quick, let's go ahead and do a tour. So as I said, this is the color chalk. It is the Lana 19. So they do have the 23 and the larger size. I don't know if it has a number or if it's just like a tote. And then this one just came out, I think literally last week. But you guys, it's so cute. I went into the boutique this weekend actually looking for another piece. I was still in the hunt to find a bag in order to match. I have them here. With these shoes, I cannot wait to wear these shoes. I have shared them previously, but I feel like I needed a light color, sort of more formalish, take that with a grain of salt, a little bit just of a nicer style of handbag in order to pair with them. So I tried on a few, they just didn't really convince me, and then they did have the 19 in stock, so I played around a little bit with some colors, but I really couldn't just decide. And then I also saw it in this color. I thought that could be a good contender. Anyways, I just needed time to think about it. I came back home, a couple of days have gone by, and I decided that this is the bag that I wanted. So here is what it looks like with the shoes, and even though the colors are not exact, I feel like it is a really good match in the sense that when I'm wearing the bag, it's not going to be literally side by side with the shoe. So I do feel like it's going to pair nicely if either I want to do a sort of monochromatic moment, or if I just want to wear a certain color for my outfit and then have my shoes and my bag be kind of like the matching moment. So I thought that this one would be perfect. Now, you guys know that I don't have these like very elegant formal style of events in my life, very minimal. I mean, maybe once a year, if that. And I have other bags that I can pick for that. However, this particular style and size I just felt was perfect for when I want to incorporate these shoes and be able to have like a really stylish handbag to pair with them, but at the same time, a bag that's practical. Just spoiler alert, I'm so surprised my iPhone 15 Pro Max does fit inside. So I will share that with you guys when we get into the what fits inside portion of the video. But for now, let's just go ahead and do a quick little tour. As I said, we do have a top handle sort of moment. So it is two different top handles. As you can see, they just stay put, so they're not going to fall over or anything like that. We have a little hang tag here, which is the famous Coach hang tag. I am going to play around and do some looks, you know, kind of with it on the side. That's why the tag is still on it, but there is a 1% chance that I might return it. Overall, I'm definitely thinking about keeping this one, but I definitely want to be transparent in regards to that. Hence why the tag has not been removed yet. This is what the back looks like. It's just a very simple back, and then the other side. So you do have the hang tag on one side, and then there's nothing on the other side. On the side that you have the hang tag, you do have that little kind of D-ring, and then you could remove this, which is something that I would probably do if I'm using the bag to take it out at night. Now the front, again, we do have the signature C for Coach there. Super dainty, super cute. I actually love the detail. And then let's dive into the interior, which is the fun part. So it does have a little bit of tissue just for stuffing purposes, but the interior is actually an all leather cognac color interior. And then we do have it's not a champagne gold. I feel like this is like a very muted kind of like gold color. It is a chain that comes with the bag, and it is removable, not adjustable. You have two little D-rings here, one here, and then another one on this side, in which you can go ahead and add that chain to, or you can add any other Coach chains kind of that they offer in order to accessorize the bag. I will pop up a picture, but I tried on this like really cute pearl one that they had in the boutique, And there was just something about it that I thought was so fun. Again, for like just like a dinner night out, or maybe like a brunch day with the girls and you just wanting to add a little bit of pizzazz to your bag. I thought that that would be so fun, but I didn't want to make any impulse purchases, so I left it behind. Now, getting back into the interior, you do have the center compartment, which what I really liked about it is that it's actually wide. So it basically goes in and then it widens up like this when it goes, you know, into the bag. And I really like that because it's not just a slip pocket where you can only put, let's say, like cards. You can actually use this sort of as a pouch, and you can put in there like your lip products, maybe your AirPods, whatever they're called, hand sanitizer or cream, anything like that that maybe you just don't want hanging around in the bag. You can go ahead and fit it in there. And then you do just have a front compartment here, and then another front compartment in the back. And then as you can see in the front of that slip pocket there in the center, you do have the famous like Coach tab or Coach, that has a name. I know that has a name, but I'm totally blanking right now. So yeah, that pretty much does it for sort of like the quick little tour. I'm still taking a look at her because I tried on the display piece that they had in the boutique, but the young lady that helped me, she actually went to the back and got like a new one. Honestly, you guys, this pebbled leather from Coach is so good. Like, it's one of those that it's not soft, because I've mentioned it previously, since it is a structured bag, you definitely need to have a little bit of weight to the leather, but it feels so good to the touch. I really, really like it. Let me go ahead and really quick share some mod shots as to what it looks on me. Oh my god, I love it handheld. I think it's the cutest little piece like this. Honestly, I think that was what sold me, like the fact that you can just hold it on the crook of your hand like this and it goes in very easily. Like, you can tell there's still some space there to play with, whether you're wearing a coat or a blazer. And then just the fact of holding it handheld like this, and the size, perfection. Let me go ahead and put on the strap. This strap is also very lightweight, surprisingly, and I actually enjoy that, so it won't feel heavy if you do choose to wear it as a crossbody. As I said, most likely I'm definitely not gonna be wearing it as a crossbody, just because I want this to be like a night out kind of bag for me. But I do want to share with you guys, oh, there we go, what it looks like on crossbody. I am 5'3". This is my hip bone. Right here is my hip bone. So just for you guys to have a little bit of reference. I personally like where it hits. Yes, would I like it to maybe be a little bit higher? Sure, why not? But it doesn't sit at a bad place for me personally. And I do like my crossbodies to hit me higher. So I just wanted to point that out. I actually feel like it hits at a really nice drop. So just keep that in mind. If you are either shorter or taller, you can obviously, you know, maybe like fold the chain and kind of do like a knot sort of situation. If you wanted to hit a little bit shorter, up to you. I mean, I think you do have the option to do that. I personally would not wear it like that, but it is nice to have the option to do that if you wanted to. Okay, now let's get into what fits inside, because I feel like that is what I was trying to scour the internet for, and I wasn't finding a good in-depth what fits inside, and we're definitely gonna make sure to get into that right now. Before we go into how I would pack this little piece, I do want to share just a few pieces that you may be interested in knowing if they do fit inside or not. This is the Louis Vuitton small pouch, and she does fit in the back pocket. You can slide her in sideways. It will take up just the majority of the back pocket. I really don't like to overstuff my bags where it becomes uncomfortable to get things in and out. So just keep that in mind. If I have that in the back pocket, I'm probably not putting anything else back there. So again, you could slide her in, and then once you need to use her, you could just bring her back out like so. And then another option is the mini pochette. I don't think the mini pochette is gonna be a good option to put in this one. Yeah, as you can see, it's gonna be, and I don't have anything in it. So if I really wanted to, yes, I can force her in there. But once you have things in this one, it's just not gonna fit. So if you wanna carry her like that, you can. But I would opt out to not going the mini pochette route. Another pouch I have is the Celine little pouch, and this one will fit both in the front. I have kind of realized that the front is just a little bit more rigid in a sense than the back. I do feel like the back gives you a little bit more room to play with, so obviously it'll fit in the back super smooth as well. Okay, so this is the bag that I was carrying today. It's actually my Coach Compass. And really quick, just a side note, I actually was able to see the newest one that they did release in the suede. I have to say, I was a little bit underwhelmed. But then again, I really want suede to work for me, and I just haven't really found that bag that does it. I do have to also point out that they do have the Lana 19 in the suede, and I actually feel like it looked really cute in the smaller size. In the Compass, it wasn't my favorite, honestly, but again, I know that there's a ton of people that really have liked the suede options that Coach has come out. It just really didn't do it for me, but I'm glad that I was able to see it in the boutique. I just feel like the leather option is so yummy, so good, and I'm really happy that I was able to catch this one. Let's go ahead and see what fits inside. As I said, in that center compartment, I would probably just go and kind of put like my lippy or something like that I'm using for the night. So let's go ahead and put in a lip gloss. Then I have a little pill box that I always carry with me, and maybe a little cuticle balm that I would want. And that's what it looks like so far in there. In the front pocket, I will probably put just a small card holder just to have it there. And funny enough, when I actually went into the boutique that I was trying it, I was talking to the girl that was helping me, and I was like, okay, I know that the phone is definitely not gonna fit, and I'm like sliding in the phone and it actually fits, and I was like, oh my god, I can't believe it fits. She's like, yeah, I'm actually surprised too. So here is what I did realize. So I do have a 15 Pro Max, and you definitely have to maneuver it a little bit. So you're gonna slide it in, like first, you know, going down, and then you'll see that it actually slides in completely. So you can't slide it in like this. You know, you definitely don't want to. Okay, we just had a little moment. There was just a little bit of glue on the leather, but we're all good. She looks good, thankfully. I was like, oh god, no. So anyways, back to the phone. So you don't want to just go about it this way, at least not with the 15 Pro Max. If you do have a smaller option, it's definitely going to slide in perfectly. You can see it right here. Now, do we want to put more things in there? I personally probably wouldn't, if I do want to have the option of carrying my phone, because I do feel like, let's say if we were to put the card holder back there, I mean, you could put the card holder in the back. So here's what it looks like. You have the phone and the card holder in the back. And then if you're wanting to take out the phone, you can. It comes out perfectly fine. Let's go ahead if we want to put it back in. Now you're gonna struggle just a tad bit because there is already something taking up space in the back. So I would probably, if you want to have the phone in there, again, I like to carry the phone in my hands, but it is nice to have the option to have it, you know, to be able to put it inside of the bag. That's why I kind of just want to go through the various ways that you can put it inside of the bag. So I would probably just do the card holder in the front. And even with the card holder in the front, you still have a little bit of room to play with. So let's see what else we can put in here. Oh, I have a packet of wipes. So let's say I would just kind of fold it like this. Yep, that slides in the front perfectly fine. You guys can see there we have the wipes, we have the card holder, then this is the middle compartment, and my phone is still back there. I think that that would pretty much be it, honestly. I don't think I would want to add anything else. And again, it would be kind of like a little dinner date sort of handbag, maybe going to like, I wouldn't say like a huge formal event, even though I think you could probably pull it off. But you know, sort of like just a nighttime event where you don't have to carry a lot of things. You're gonna downsize anyways, no matter what small handbag you choose to take with you. So the fact that you can fit a card holder, a packet of wipes, you can fit your, you know, lip combo that you're using, maybe even a little hand cream. I do have a hand cream here. So let's say that you could put that in the center compartment perfectly fine. It fits in there, you know? So you can carry a good amount of things. And again, you have the phone in the back, which you can pull out if you need to use it. Do your thing. Who talks on the phone anymore? Anyways, text. And then you can go ahead and just have the option to slide it back in and to be hands-free, to be able to, you know, have your drink, have your little hors d'oeuvres, whatever it is that you need to do. So guys, she is such a cutie. I really wanted to do this video to share with you guys kind of a little bit more in regards to the bag. I know that there's a couple of like reels and things like that out and about, but I wanted to kind of get in depth and do a little bit more of details in regards to the piece. Let me know if you guys are eyeing the new Lana 19. Have you picked it up already? If so, what color are you thinking about picking it up? I would love to hear all of your thoughts. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye everyone.